How to add custom emojis to Discord roles. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, let me know in the comments, but let's get started right away. So I'm over here inside of my Discord server, and there's a couple of ways to do this, but there's one quick turn point, and that is the fact that you can only do that if you have your server boosted. So I'll show you guys that in a bit, but if you go to your server settings, first you want to go ahead and go to your emojis and upload an emoji. So these are the requirements to upload an emoji. So keep that in mind, that if it doesn't work, it simply does not meet any or one of these requirements. Then click on upload emoji. I uploaded this check mark emoji real quick, as you can see. And what I then want to do is simply go to roles. Now I actually do not have any roles, so I'll just create one real quick. I'll just call this mod, for example. Give it a color, for example, green, just like that. Click on save changes. Over here it says role icon. As you can see, you have to be your server has to be boosted level 2. And once that is the case, it says upload an image under this, or pick a custom emoji from this server. So if you click on here, here you can see that what you can actually do, and that you have to boost this server. But I actually do not have it boosted. But basically, here you can select an emoji from your server, or you can even add your own, actual picture. So it doesn't always have to be an emoji. You can basically choose whichever one you would like to. But this is basically, where you can do it. And here you can see a preview. Currently, there is no emoji, as you can see, but this is basically how it would look like. But yeah, that's how to add a custom emoji to Discord roles.